Hello, everyone. You want to learn how to add a Toeskin to a cabinet in Mozaik? Huh? See what I did there? Well, you better, because you're here watching this video, and I'm about to show you. All right? So you want to add your own Toeskin. Click on the cabinet. What you're going to do is add a custom part. Sometimes in version 14, I'm not sure why this whole cat thing has overtaken the actually on the cabinet, but easy way to get out of that is just boom, click on a product over here in the product editor menu. Anyway, make sure you're in the products tab. Click on the product that you want to add a Toeskin to. Double click it. In fact, you are now in the product editor and we are going to add a part. You will do that in the parts tab. Go to add. Okay, this is what's important. Height. Go down to Toeskin. That would make sense. You're adding a Toeskin. Name it whatever you want. You have the freedom to name this whatever you want. I'm personally going to call it Toeskin. Call me crazy. All right, now we need to tell Mozaik how big this part is going to be that we are adding. There's not a part yet. We've just given a part a name and a type. It's important that Mozaik knows what type of part it is. As I always say, it is very important to have your 3D viewer in the side as you work so you can see changes in real time as they happen. Okay, so back to our editor and adding the part. We've picked our type. We've given it a name that makes sense. This toe is 4 inches high. I know because I said it earlier. Cover that in a different video. That would actually be the width. I know it gets a little confusing, but 4 inches. Trust me on that. Actually, I'm going to do it in the calculator. It's always better to do it in the calculator if you can. 4 times 2 millimeter. If you don't know what that is by now, then I want to figure that out. But it changes any inch measurement into millimeters automatically. We've made it 4. Now we need a length. I remember this cabinet was I think it was 29 and a half long. We need to make a length for the part. I'm going to say 29 and a quarter, I believe, is how wide I made this cabinet. Either way, typically it needs to be the length of the cabinet, and we can change that later. But I'm going to make it that length. Test. 29 and a quarter indeed. Now we've given a size. We have actually made the part. It's right there. It's hiding from you. This is where a lot of people would get confused. Where is the part? Very, very helpful tool. Next, here is the rotation. You see that? How it just flipped? Flip it in the right orientation. Okay, now we clearly have a Toeskin, so we have already basically gotten there. Now we want to recess this in a bit, so we'll go over to the next positioning tool. You see how this is front back. Let's say I want this 2 inches back. We've made it 2 inches back. You see that? We have manually added a Toeskin into Mozaik. See that it's actually overlapping here, so I'll do one better and show you a formula. Put this in parentheses. You know math, you know that that has to be in parentheses. We're going to make this as parametric as possible, and we are going to take that length off of this. I know this piece is 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to use a reserved parameter, which is the thickness of the right end, which would be right in thickness. Give it a test. Seems to be right. 29 and a quarter minus 3/4. I'm trusting that that is right. And what do you know? It is gone. So that is that. We've taken it off that side. Just for fun, let's see about the other side. We can do it to the other side as well. All right. Let's go ahead and do it again. So we did it from the right end thickness. Now let's subtract it from the, you got it, left end thickness. Now it's down to 28. Let's go ahead and see how that looks. Ooh, you see what happened there? it couldn't tell the difference. It just subtracted it again. So that's okay. We will now bump it left and right the amount that we just subtracted, which is, you got it, the leptin thickness. We keep it the same. It's good practice. Here we are. It is successfully completed. If you gained some insight and knowledge off of this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, save it for later, or subscribe to the channel for more Mozaik tips. I do offer one-on-one training sessions at an affordable rate for everyone and flexible scheduling options. Till next time, everyone, enjoy your Toeskins!